Get out of the way! Oh, we literally found the best place. I'm so glad we found like a local place.
Oh, you're having a laugh. How can she still be eating?
I got you one. I'll come all the way back to China just for this ice cream.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. This is our China series. We are currently in Xiamen. We are on the search for some dinner. We are trying to look for our very first traditional hot pot.
So we're heading to Zhongshan Street. We went here a couple of days ago and it is one of the best streets. It's like a walking street with food, shops, restaurants, and everything you can imagine is all here along this road. So we thought it would be the best place to try our hot pot. It gets busier and busier the closer you get to the main street. We're literally about to go into it. But I'm a bit like, what's the word? Not nervous about having hot pot.
Apprehensive.
Apprehensive. I don't know how I feel about cooking my own food. From a chef's perspective, if I go to a restaurant, I don't want to cook my own food, do I?
Yeah. I know what you're saying.
It might be fun and I might enjoy it, but we'll soon find out, and I ain't got a clue how you're going to do it.
To be honest, right, in true traditional Dridger style, we're going into this like totally like blind. You can't really Google things in China. Nothing comes up. We're sort of just like gonna go and look at some menus and maybe find the best hot pot, maybe we'll find the worst, but it's gonna be our first, so we're not gonna know any different anyway. So yeah, let's see what we get.
Well, we stumbled across a shop that's only 10, so just have a look.
10 for a t-shirt. It seems like you could just like chuck them away, like, you know.
Easy. Oh, look, that teddy bear one. Oh wow, I love that. All the teddy bears on it. That's something you'd wear.
Yeah, it probably is, yeah.
Oh, this is actually really nice. It's too hot for a jumper pet. How much? 69 for them. Not too bad, but it's too hot for a jumper, so we don't need one. But we're just heading, this is the main strip, literally here. It's actually not as busy as I thought it'd be.
No, the other day when we come down here, obviously it's Golden Week at the moment, and it was the most busy place I've ever been in my life.
Shut the car. Look at these cars here, all electric.
The problem is, with electric,
cool.
You can't hear them coming.
I know. And Ben is a nightmare because he can't see on one side, if you didn't know that already. And he doesn't turn his head. He's the most laziest person. No, he isn't. I'm joking. But when we come down here the other day, they gave us loads of tasters, so I'm hoping they've got loads this time. We're hoping we find someone that knows a little bit of English to help us with the hot pot. It gets busier. Look at that. It is so busy the further up you get. So you get loads of these tea shops. They'll be standing outside with teas for you to try. We've tried so many of these teas, haven't we? We're
a little bit tight and we love a freebie. So as soon as we see someone selling something for free or giving something away, we're straight in there. So we've done loads of teas.
It's very unlikely we're going to buy it though.
Yeah, well, yeah. Don't say it too loud because the word might get around.
We'll be having you later. We'll be coming back, don't worry. Dessert will be there. The main street, the start of it. But I think we're going to head down there. See if there's some little restaurants, see if there's some hot pots along there.
I'll tell you what, did you ever know, like back home if you're from the West, did you know that China looked like this? I feel like I'm in London. It's unreal.
Look at all these lanterns, all like red. It's got like a lover's vibe. Wow, look at that. Oh. If we weren't having a hot pot, I'd be all over that kebab.
I thought the same.
Should we change the video?
Yeah.
They were handing these out the other day, trying everywhere.
Shishi.
Shishi.
Every time we keep eating these. They're nice.
Really nice. We've had it so many times. We just like free food.
Bit of chocolate on it, would be nice.
Trying to get through. I don't know how we're going to find a hot pot. I think we've come to like the busiest road ever to look for it. Right, we've come off the main strip. Oh my god, that was mental. I think I tried about 10 different samples though.
You did.
I kept going in there.
You keep saying you were about to eat, love.
It was free and it looked really nice. All sweet as well, and you know I love sweet stuff. We're looking around here. Oh, that looks like one. Hot pot! We found a hot pot! This one will do us perfectly. Let's check it out, see what it's like. So we're gonna go for this one. Chao Shan beef hot pot. That one, yeah?
Go for it.
Ben. Alright, so we've gone to this place. There's a little bit of a wait, so you've got little stores out here. You wait until a table's clear, but they've brought us the menu out, and I'm guessing we like tick off what we want. So we're gonna have to translate it. Where's the translator device in your bag?
Hold on. Nope.
Did you think there's gonna be English on the other
English.
side? You got hopes. Using my phone and our device so we can translate like a section. We got eSIM and a VPN. That's how we're making this work, otherwise it wouldn't normally work. So this bit you pick the liquids for your pot. So we've gone for the cheapest one, which is like a clear broth. And then we're going to pick our meat. So we picked our bits. I'll show you once we got it. But the guy was saying that the quality of beef, so how to pick that is by looking at that. So if you want a certain section, look for the name and then pick from there. But I think Ben's going to choose a beer as well, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Beer?
Yeah, beer. I think 10 young.
I have to translate them and see what drinks there is for me. It's our turn. What have we got? One bit and... I think we picked a really good like small local. I didn't want like a posh restaurant, I wanted a more local place. She just gave us a pot of water with tongs in and pointed at this, so I don't know if we're meant to like sanitise it. I don't know why. This is so funny if this isn't what we're meant to do. Not that. I don't think that. How embarrassing would it be if this is literally not what you're meant to do?
The foreigners.
There you go, Ben. It wasn't. Wow. So start cooking it and bringing it out. So the noodles they didn't have, they come over, they didn't have them. Now we're trying to translate which ones we do want. So this is our broth. We've got like sweet corn, we've got some of our beef over here. I've gone forward, I'm not sure what this drink is, but I think it's a Chinese tea when I was translating it, and I looked up the tea on the menu and it said it was like a Chinese tea. I'm trying to translate noodles. Ben's got a beer. While Ben's trying to sort out the noodles, I'm just gonna try this. It's like cold Chinese tea. It's very nice. So there is actually, while Ben's sorting it out, I'll go look over here. Yes. So we've got a sauce section. Ben, loads of sauces here.
Just grab a few.
No, you've got to pour them in these.
Oh, okay.
So take one of these over. I'm going to say this is satay sauce. I assume this is what you do. Ben's got like a hoisin sauce. We're going to add, I'm not sure what these are, and some sesame seeds. And light soy sauce. So I hear it's all about the dipping sauce. While I've been gone making the sauces, we've got a veg bowl, so loads of different greeneries, some tofu, noodles, and I made another sauce up. This looks amazing. I'm so excited to get started. Go and throw our noodles in. Kind of throw it on top of this, so then you can scoop it out. That's it. Oh, season the water, wasn't it? So Ben's put the noodles in. I'm going to grab some of the beef, cook some. I read somewhere between, no, it was on the menu, it said between 10 to 12 seconds you should leave it in, because you don't want to overcook it and make it really chewy. You still want it moist. Ben's the noodle guy. So beef, looking almost done.
So do they know that you used to be a chef?
So yes, if you followed us for a while, you probably know that I'm a chef. So I should know what I'm doing. We're going to throw some beefs in. We're just making a soup, shall we?
Yeah.
There we go. Got like a soup going. Oh, quick, get my beef out. Oh no, my beef's overcooking. They're probably looking at us like, what are they doing?
We're doing alright.
Right, I've got my beef. I might have left it in a little bit too long, I'm not sure. Grab it, I'm going to try it in the sauce. I love it.
No sauce.
That sauce is good. It's like a sweet nutty sauce. Strawberry like there. Do you want it in? I probably did it a little bit too long, so we want about 10 seconds. 8, 9, 10. Quick. Get it? I'm meant to be using these. Can you believe? Get out the way!
Pointing me over it.
Oh my god, this is going to be so funny.
Good job we're not in a posh restaurant, isn't it?
We need to get these noodles out, they're going to overcook. You probably weren't meant to put all them noodles in. There you go. Some nuts. They go in the pan. So we've got like big chunks of tofu here. Do you think you should put them in like that? I'm just going to put them in. And they've just arrived with some dumplings. So we got beef dumplings, going to throw one of them in. Ah, cucumber. Thank you. We've also got a plate of cucumber. Oh my god, I didn't realise how much we ordered.
It didn't feel like we ordered much, did it?
Oh, it's like pickled cucumber with garlic, chilli, oil. Right, I've got some tofu in there somewhere.
Tofu?
Tofu. We've got so much going on. I don't know if we put too much in. There's a dumpling in there somewhere as well. Thinking a bit of tofu, a bit of different sauce. I'm actually having a lot of fun doing this. I'm thinking you like grab your noodles, throw them in there. A bit of greenery. That's how we're doing it, Ben. Mix it in with the sauce, and then people just let us know, are we doing this right or are we just like making a big shit show of it all? I feel like we are. I love that it's a sword station, that's like the best thing about this place.
There's dumplings.
There's one in there.
They're already cooked, didn't they?
I've got to put them in there. I don't know if I was meant to put it in there, maybe it wasn't. Alright, I'm not sure if I was meant to put a dumpling in there. I might have double cooked it. It is like completely falling apart.
Try another one.
Oh my god. They're definitely looking at us like we're weirdos. Yeah, Ben just tried one. You're not meant to put it in there.
Right, my guy now. I'm gonna try a dumpling. So these was actually pre-cooked. Reanne tried to cook them again. Don't know why. And they all fell apart. But delicious. It's a beef dumpling, almost like beef mince, a little bit peppery. Try these noodles. I've got the satay, and I've also got the hoisin sauce on there as well. A few cucumbers. Tell you what, I've been absolutely buzzing for a beer. 10 yuan, so cheap. Also, I've got to say, I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I think you?
I'm getting the hang of it. I've just got to get them in there and get it out. And then just bring it on it. It's actually really fun and easy.
Yeah, you can do the cooking then.
I like making my own little sauces, so I'm going out there and get some more. Let's go. We're still going. I'm getting the hang of it. I really want to do one again because I feel like I messed up at the beginning and I know how to get the system working now. I know how to do it. Don't we, Ben?
We're getting better.
You're so steamy.
I can barely see you.
But Ben just like picked up a bit of beef and like didn't dip them in his sauce. I was like, why? The sauce is the main part. Oh my god, it's going all in our face. This is so much fun. There's so many like families in here with little kids. Like they spent ages now. I can imagine them spending hours. But it's gone a bit quiet. There's a few empty tables now. And as you know, at the beginning we were like waiting for a table. But how I kind of like researched hot pots, because it's quite hard, is I looked at our friends Sunkiss bucket list, Taz and Libby, and they did one in Beijing. It looked like they did like a posh place, and it looked really nice. But Libby wasn't a massive fan, I noticed. If you don't like cooking, I don't think you'd enjoy this. Taz and Libby, you helped me loads to prepare for this. Alright, this is the aftermath. I think we've actually done quite alright. We definitely ordered far too much, and I am far too full. Definitely didn't need the dumplings. The tofu didn't go down that well. I think you need it in like little bits and pan fried. But the cucumber, really nice. Nuts, just too many. Too many to eat. But the meat and noodles and the veg still, there's just loads there. So this probably could have done 4 people. But I'd 100% have a hot pot again. That was fun, it was tasty and very filling. I thought I wouldn't be full and I thought it'd be just like little bits and I'd get stressed cooking, but no, we both enjoyed it, didn't we?
Yeah, I'm going to do the international sign for a bill. Let's see if I get one. I've got to wait for her to look at me. Yes.
Alright, let's head out. Shay, bye! Oh, we literally found the best place. I'm so glad we found like a local place. The kids are just playing there on the chairs.
Proper like family run.
Oh, perfect. That is so us. We were like, whenever we thought of hot pot, we always thought of a posh restaurants with tablecloths, like literally the opposite to what we are. But no, we found a perfect place. We're gonna walk back through the main walking street, but that came to 184 in total, which we're so happy. When we knew we were going to go and try hot pot, we thought it was going to be like double that, so yeah, that was a really good price.
I was expecting to spend like the equivalent of like £40, and I thought that's okay, we'll spend that. It's, you know, the video, we're in China, it'd be a good experience, really good experience. But we went to a real local place. It was an even better experience, and it was actually much better than I actually thought.
And too much food.
Being a family-run place, like kids running, I love all that. Kids running around, people having a laugh, love it. Sorry, I want to get a bottle of water. I'm thirsty.
So it's still very, very busy down there.
I'm gonna say it comes to life at night, but you saw the other day, it was like probably 3 times as busy. I will say that the nightlife here, just in general, is very good. Oh, you're having a laugh. How can she still be eating?
I got you one.
I'm alright,
You handed me it, I didn't want to be rude.
Yeah.
I am really full though.
We're gonna, in a traditional fashion, we're gonna go down and get a mishu, because we haven't actually, we've been in China, what, 4 days now? And we haven't even had a mishu ice cream yet, so that's the next stop. We're gonna get a mishu ice cream. Alright, look at the queue for mishu. I don't know how it's gonna go. See, there's 2 lines here. One lot are like waiting for app orders, the other like payments. We've just realised you can do it on Alipay, so this is gonna make it like a little bit easier.
They've just found our location. Here you go, fresh ice cream. I don't think I've ever seen it this busy, have you?
No, things you do for ice cream.
How many staff have got in? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just in that like tiny space.
The ice cream machine doesn't break. In the UK, McDonald's ice cream breaks every 5 seconds.
It breaks every evening.
Every evening, yeah.
Because it takes forever to clean, supposedly, so they make it break so you can't get like milkshakes.
How do you know that? This one? Yeah?
Done it?
Yeah, 4.
You didn't even have to do it, you just wanted to, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, I didn't. I didn't care.
They creased up.
Hello.
Thank you. Oh, I'll give it to you, shall I?
How?
Mine looks bigger anyway. Thank you. Sushi. I'll come all the way back to China just for this ice cream. I can't believe it's been like 3 days and we're only just having one.
Right, isn't it?
1, 2, 3. Oh. Tell you what, it's not just ice cream, it's the cone.
Yeah,
it's the best cone you've ever had.
The cone's class.
Hello.
So we've
got about a 30-minute walk back to our hotel and we've got to Swell Mountain.
Oh, that's rapid, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like 9:30 at night. I'm glad we're walking after all this food.
Nightcap.
But otherwise, we're going to leave it here and we'll see you tomorrow.
Make sure you watch the next video. Make sure you watch the rest of the series. We've got loads more content to come from China. Subscribe.
Who doesn't love a toaster?
Oh shit, who's gonna give it?
Oh no, grab your own.
I thought he was going to get me one. I'll tell you what, I've been absolutely buzzing for a bit. 10 yen. Young.
Alright, this is the aftermath. Is that the word? Maths.
Aftermath.
What's the word?
Aftermath.
Math.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready for the lick?
I'm ready for the lick. Are you ready for the lick?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, am I supposed to be licking?
I thought we were doing it at the same time.
No, because I want to get some pictures, send it to my pals.
Yeah, that's why I was doing it that side.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe and make sure you watch the next video. I didn't say that bit. I'm supposed to
do it again. Do it again.